Hello, everyone. So I'll be discussing how to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius real quick using PyCharm. What do we need to do? We first need to know the formula, which is this. Temperature equals Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply 5 divided by 9, right? Okay, so as you could guess, we will solve this in no time with a brief explanation. What do we need to do? So we need to create functions. We'll create 3 functions. We'll create an intro function, main function, and convert function. First of all, we need to display a program. We need to display an objective of the program. So how do we do that? Let's make it simple. Div equals, intro, colon, and let's give variable name. Input from user, and we'll ask them your name, right? Okay. So we'll print the name. And we'll pass down variable, which is that. And as I mentioned before, we'll call a main function, 3 functions. So we will call on another function, which is called main. And we'll define that. Main, colon. Now, we need to convert it, name it Fahrenheit. So the temperature, we will make sure it will include, the user is able to include decimal points. For that, we'll include float. And we'll ask a user for an input. All right, and we're gonna call upon another function, which will be convert. And we'll call it Fahrenheit. And we will do the same thing again. Convert. Colon. And this is the tricky part. We will paste in the formula, which we had at the top. This. Since we already named it, we will use its own name as Celsius equals Fahrenheit minus 32, as it states above, multiply 5 divided by 9, right? and we'll print the function that states parentheses, no, percent to f and ren height is percent to f is no in Celsius and percent, and we'll give it Fahrenheit Celsius. Now, once we have done that, we've called upon three functions. We have displayed an objective of the program. We have displayed the username, which will print out welcome, the username's name. We have accepted username's input in Fahrenheit, which says the temperature is. Then we passed the user's input to convert into function, and we have converted the temperature in the Fahrenheit to Celsius using the equation. And the only thing that is left for us to do is call upon the function, the first function. And let's see if it works. I know, let's just run it. Name, Jack. Temperature is, let's say, 20. And there we go. Simple as that. Maybe I took a bit too long, but simple as that. Thanks so much.